Hello dear aspirants, I am Pratiksha Chauhan. Welcome to Arpita Sharma classes where you get quality classes free of cost covering important subjects from the perspective of UPSC. We are covering up UPSC paper 2 which is CSAT. So before we start, here is a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy Combat, the most competitive gamified UPSC CSC battle held on 21st March 2021 11 am. Enroll now for free. Link is in the description box below the video. Use code ARPITA10 to unlock the Plus experience for free and start learning from the best. How to enroll in the quizzes for free? Download the Unacademy Learning app, register or sign in on the app, select the goal as UPSC CSC, click on the link above and then on Enroll Now. When prompted, please enter the code ARPITA10 to activate your free plan. Unacademy Combat is a battle to challenge thousands of learners and win exciting rewards and prizes. It's India's biggest weekly competition for UPSC CSC. Extensive quizzes with 6 rounds of 10 questions each from economy, polity, environment, science and tech, geography, history. The questions are curated by Unacademy's best UPSC CSC educators. You will see a real-time leaderboard after every question to instantly know the answers you got right and know where you stand among other learners in India. Detailed video solutions after every contest so that you get it right the next time. Don't miss this opportunity. Hurry up, enroll now. Today we will understand about geometry, area, perimeter and volume. We will understand the concept and solve some of the questions related to it. Let's start with this lecture. First of all, we will understand about area. These are 2D objects like rectangle, triangle, square, having two dimensions such as width and height. Their flat surfaces have no thickness. Okay. Now let us understand about the area of rectangle. The quantity that expresses the space inside of a two-dimensional shape. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? That is length multiplies breadth. So next is area of square. Area of square is simple because all the sides are the same. So you can just multiply side by side. So what is the formula of square? That is side square. Now comes the area of triangle. The formula of area of triangle is 1 by 2 into breadth into height. Area of circle formula is area is equals to pi into r square. What is r here? That is radius. Circumference of circle formula is 2 into pi into r. Okay. Area of parallelogram, that is base into height. Now what is the area of trapezoid? That is 1 by 2 multiplies a plus b into h. That is where a and b are the bases of trapezoid, where h is the height of it. Okay, you can see in this diagram. Now comes the perimeter, which is the length of the outline of a shape. Okay, the perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. And what is the perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth, whereas L is equals to length, B is equals to breadth. Now comes the perimeter of triangle, that is A plus B plus C. That is A and C are the sides and B is the base. Okay, I am discussing this formula just because it will help you in solving the questions, and please mug up these formulas as it will be very helpful in solving questions. Now comes the 3D objects. First we have discussed about the 2D objects. Now we will discuss about 3-dimensional object, that is 3D objects, which is similar to 2-dimension objects, but here we have one extra dimension thickness like cylinder, hexagonal, prism, torus, cone, cube, sphere, etc. Okay. Now comes some of the formulas related to volume, like rectangular solid or cuboid. That the formula is volume of rectangular solid or cuboid is length into width into height. Now what is the volume of cube? That is volume is equals to a cube. That a here stands for length of edge or side. What is the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. R is radius of the circular base and h is height. Now what is the volume of prism formula? That is breadth into height. That is B is area of base, where B is side square or length into breadth. Okay. Now h is height here. What is the sphere formula? That is volume is equals to 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. There r is radius of the sphere. Now what is the volume of the pyramid? 1 by 3 into breadth into height. B stands here for area of the base and h for height of the pyramid. Now comes the right circular cone. That is volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h, where r is radius of the circular base and h is height. Now comes square or rectangular pyramid. That is 1 by 3 into length into width into height. Okay. Now comes ellipsoid. That is 4 by 3 pi a into b into c. That is a, b, c are semi-axis of the ellipsoid. Okay. Now tetrahedron. That is a cube by 6 square root of 2. That is a stands for length of the edge. So these some of the formulas related to volume. Now let us solve some of the question. Question number 1, that is UPSC 1996 question, which says a rectangle has perimeter of 50 meters. If its length is 13 meters more than its breadth, then its area is, options are 124 meters square, 144 meters square, 114 meters square, 104 meters square. Please solve this question. Now let us solve this question. Now here we will let the breadth be b and the length is b plus 13 and the perimeter is given, that is 50 meter. Now what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 into length plus breadth. Now we will put the values here, that is 2 into b plus 13 plus b is equals to 50. Now after simplification we will receive b plus 13 plus b and 50 by 2. Okay. That will 2b plus 13 is equals to 25. Now after solving this equation we will receive the value of p, that is 12 by 2, that is 6 meter. Now we will find length putting the value of b here, that is length is equals to b plus 13, that is length is equals to 6 plus 13, that is 19 meter is length. Now we will find out the area, that is length into breadth. Now we will put the length value is 19 and breadth is 6, that is 114 meters square. So the area is 114 meters square. Now come the question number 2, that is UPSC 1997 question. A rectangular plot of lawn shown in the figure had dimension x and y and is surrounded by a gravel pathway of width 2 meter. What is the total area of a gravel pathway? Options are 2x plus 2y plus 4, 2x plus 2y plus 8, 4x plus 4y plus 8, 4x plus 4y plus 16. You can refer this diagram also. Please solve this question. Now let us solve this question. As it is said that the length of the lawn including gravel pathway is x plus 2 plus 2, that is x plus 4, and breadth of the lawn including gravel pathway, that is y plus 2 plus 2, that is y plus 4. Now area of the lawn including of gravel pathway, that is x plus 4 into y plus 4, that is area of a gravel pathway is area of the lawn including gravel pathway subtracts area of the lawn, that is x plus 4 multiplies y plus 4 minus xy, that is xy plus 4x plus 4y plus 16 minus xy. That will receive the equation 4x plus 4y plus 16. So the total area of the gravel pathway is 4x plus 4y plus 16. Now let us move to the next question, that is UPSC 1997 question again. That is question number 3. If the numbers representing volume and surface area of a cube are equal, then the length of the edge of the cube in terms of the units of measurement will be, options are 3, 4, 5 and 6. Please solve this question. Let us solve this question. Let volume of cube is equals to surface area of cube. That will be a cube is equals to 6a square. Okay. Now, 1a will cancel. That will become a is equals to 6 units. So, the length of the edge of the cube is 6 units. Now comes the question number 4. The length, breadth and the height of a room are L, B and H respectively. The perimeter of the ceiling expressed as a percentage of the total area of the 4 walls is. This is UPSC 1997 question. Options are 100H percentage, 100 by H percentage, H percentage, H by 100 percentage. Please solve this question. Now solving this question. Total area of 4 walls is 2H multiplies L plus B. That is perimeter of ceiling is 2L plus 2B. That is 2L plus B. Now perimeter of ceiling in percentage is total area of 4 walls. That is 2L plus B divided by 2H L plus B into 100. That will come 100 by H percentage. So the percentage of the total area of 4 wall is 100 by H percentage. Now let us move towards the UPSC 1998 question, which says a square pond has 2 meter sides and is 1 meter deep. If it is to be enlarged, the depth remaining the same, into a circular pond with the diagonal of the square as diameter as shown in the figure, then what will be the volume of the earth to be removed? Options are 2 pi minus 4 meter cube, 4 pi minus 4 meter cube, 4 pi minus 2 meter cube, 2 pi minus 2 meter cube. Please solve this question. Now let us solve this question. A value is given, that is 2. Now we will find out the diagonal, that is square root 2a. That will be 2 square root meter, that will be diameter is equals to 2 square root 2 meter. Then we will find about radius, that is diameter divided by 2. That will become 2 square root 2 divided by 2. Then 2 will be cut it down. That will become square root 2 meter. Then what is the line area? That is area of circle minus area of a square. That is pi r square minus a square. A square is side square. So we will put the values here. That is pi square root 2 in bracket square. Okay. That will 2 square. Then the area is pi 2 minus 4 meter square. Then we have to find out the volume of earth dug. That is line area multiplies depth. Then we will put the values here. That is 2 pi minus 4 into 1 meter square. That will come 2 pi minus 4 meter cube. So the volume of the earth to be removed, that is 2 pi minus 4 meter cube. Now comes the UPSC 2000 question, which says which one of the following has a greater perimeter than the rest? First option is a square with an area of 36 square centimeter. Second is an equilateral triangle with a side of 9 centimeter. Third option is a rectangle with 10 centimeter as length and 40 square centimeter as area. Last option is a circle with a radius of 4 centimeter. Now please solve this question. Now let us solve this question. We will solve this question by options. Like option A, which says a square with an area of 36 square kilometer. Now area is 36. Now we have to find out the area of a square, that is side square. Side square is equals to 36. Now side is square root 36, that is 6 centimeter. Then the perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side, that is 4 into 6. That will come 24 centimeter. Now comes the option B, that is an equilateral triangle with a side of 9 centimeter, which says a perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side, that is 3 into 9, that comes 27 centimeter. Now comes option C, a rectangle with 10 centimeter as length and 40 square centimeter as an area. Now length is given, that is 10, Area is given, that is 40. Now we will find out the area, that is length into breadth. Now we will put the values here. Area 40 is equals to 10 into B. That will come, B is equals to 40 divided by 10, that is 4 centimeter. Now comes the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B, that will 2 into 10 plus 4, that will come 2 into 14 is equals to 28 centimeter. Now comes the option D, a circle with radius of 4 centimeter. That is, perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. That will be, we know the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Now we will put here, that will come 2 into 22 by 7 into 4, which will 176 divided by 7, that will come 25.14 centimeter. So greater perimeter than the rest is a rectangle with 10 centimeter as length and 40 square centimeter as an area, that is 28 centimeter, which is C option. Now comes a question number 7. A rectangular piece of iron sheet measuring 50 centimeter by 100 centimeter is rolled into cylinder of height 50 centimeter. If the cost of painting the cylinder is 50 per square meter, then what will be the cost of painting the outer surface of the cylinder? Then the options are rupees 25, rupees 37.50, rupees 75, rupees 87.50. Please solve this question. Let us solve this question. Let the radius of cylinder be r and the height be h. Since the cylinder is made by rolling 100 centimeter side, that is h is equal to 50 centimeter, that will become 50 divided by 100. That will come 1 by 2 meter, and 2 pi r is equals to 100 centimeter, that will r is equals to 1 by 2 pi meter. Now we have to find out curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. Now we will put the values here. That will 2 pi into 1 by 2 pi into 1 by 2. That will come 1 by 2 meter square. What is the cost of painting given? That is rupees 50 per meter square. Now we have to find out the total cost of painting. That is 1 by 2 into 50, that is 25 rupees. Now the cost of painting the outer surface of the cylinder is rupees 25. Now comes a question number 8, that is UPSC 2005 question. A big rectangular plot of area 4320 meters square is divided into 3 square shaped smaller plots by fencing parallel to the smaller side of the plot. However, some area of land was still left as a square could not be formed. So 3 more square shaped plots were formed by fencing parallel to the longer side of the original plot such that no area of the plot was left surplus. What are the dimensions of the original plot? Options are 160 meter into 27 meter, 240 meter into 18 meter, 120 meter into 36 meter, 135 meter into 32 meter. Please solve this question. Now let us solve this question. You can refer this diagram as made in this slide. Okay. Let the side of each square formed by fencing parallel to the breadth be x meter and length be y meter. Then 3x square plus 3y square is equals to 4320. That will become 3 in common, x square plus y square is equals to 4320. That will become x square plus y square is equals to 4320 divided by 3. That will come 1440. Now the equation 1 is x square plus y square is equals to 1440. Now comes the x in common in bracket 3x plus y is equals to 4320. That will come 3x square plus xy is equals to 3 in common x square plus y square. That will xy is equals to 3y square. Now we will solve this. X is equals to 3y square divided by y. 1y will cut it down. That will become equation 2. X is equals to 3y. Now from equation 1 and 2 we have x square plus y square is equals to 1440. That will, we will put the value of x here. That will 3y square plus y square is equals to 1440. That will come 9y square plus y square is equals to 1440. That will come 10y square is equals to 1440. Now we will find out the value of y square. That will come 1440 divided by 10. That will y is equals to in square root 144. That will y is equals to 12. Okay. Now we will put the value of y in equation 2. That will x is equals to 3y. X is equals to 3 into 12. That comes the value of x, that is 36. Now we will find out the length of rectangular plot, that is 3x plus y. After putting the values, we will receive the length of the rectangular plot, that is 3 into 36 plus 12, that comes 120 meter. Now we will find out the breadth of rectangular plot, that is 36 meter. Now the answer is 120 meter into 36 meter. So the dimension of the original plot is 120 meter into 36 meter. Now comes a question number 9. A gardener increased the area of his rectangular garden by increasing its length by 40% and decreasing its width by 20%. The area of the new garden, options are, has increased by 20%, has increased by 12%, has increased by 8%, is exactly the same as the old area. This is UPSC 2014 questions. Please solve this question. Let us solve this question. Length increased by 40% and width decreased by 20%. So the area of new garden is 40 minus 20 plus 40 into minus 20 divided by 100. That will 20 plus minus 800 divided by 100. Then 0 will be cut it down. That will become 20 minus 8. That comes 12%. Then the area of new garden has increased by 12%. Now comes the last question, that is question number 10. 12 equal squares are placed to fit in a rectangle of diagonal 5 cm. There are 3 rows containing 4 squares each. No gaps are left between adjacent square. What is the area of each square? This is UPSC 2018 questions. Option are 5 by 7 square centimeter, 7 by 5 square centimeter, 1 square centimeter, 25 by 12 square centimeter. Please solve this question. Now solving this question. As it is given, the rectangle has diagonal 5 cm. Now 12 equal squares are fit into rectangle in 3 rows with 4 squares in each row. Now let the side of a square be x. Then the length of the rectangle is 4x and the breadth be 3x. Now we will put the Pythagoras theorem here. That is 5 square is equals to 4x square plus 3x square. That will become 25 is equals to 16x square plus 9x square. That will come 25 into 25x square. X square is equals to 25 divided by 25. Now we will find out the x is equals to 1 centimeter. Now we'll have to find out the area of a square, that is side into side. That will be 1 centimeter square. So the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. So hope you like this lecture. Thank you.